Hi everyone, here we've got OPPO A52 and let me show you how to enable developer options on the following device. So first of all we have to open the settings and scroll down to actually very bottom to find about phone. So click on that and find the version, click here. Here we've got the build number and we have to keep tapping on it until we'll see that we are in the developer mode. So now let's get back to the settings and find additional settings. Click on that, scroll down and find developer options. And here, as you can see, we've got many advanced options which you can customize. To turn off developer options, simply click on the switcher. Let's get back. And as you can see, there are no developer options here. So that's all. This is how you enter developer options in your OPPO A52. And if you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.